Hey everyone, Liam from Killer Inc here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Cheyenne HAWK Spirit. The HAWK Spirit is the complete all-in-one, a light and flexible machine that is great for all aspects of tattooing. So let's take a closer look. The Cheyenne HAWK Spirit was the company's follow-up to the original HAWK machine, and it certainly had big boots to fill, having to succeed such an iconic machine. But the Spirit stepped up to the plate, with artists appreciating how simple and easy the rotary was to use compared to traditional machines and needles. The HAWK Spirit delivers fast strokes and quick punctures, yet remains softer than its successor, the Cheyenne HAWK Thunder. At the heart of the Cheyenne HAWK Spirit is a 12-volt precision DC motor, with the machine featuring a 3.5mm jack plug connection at the end. It also has a 2.5mm stroke length. This machine reacts well to different skin types and contours, therefore making it suitable for use with every skin type and area on the body. In addition, its ergonomic handle makes it fit comfortably into your hand, allowing artists the ability to precisely guide the machine as they are tattooing. The HAWK Spirit is also very silent when in operation, with a low level of vibration, again ensuring comfort while tattooing. As with other rotaries from Cheyenne, the HAWK Spirit can be used with conventional cartridges from all of the major brands, including the company's own safety cartridges and its latest craft cartridges. The Cheyenne HAWK grips are perfect to use with the Spirit. We offer HAWK grips in 21 and 25mm diameters. The Cheyenne HAWK Spirit is available to order from Killer Inc in various colours from the link in the description below. We also offer packages that feature the machine, HAWK grips, a Cheyenne PU power supply and HAWK foot switch, so make sure to check those out. So, what do you think about the Cheyenne HAWK Spirit? Are you currently using it as your main machine? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.